Woodworking is a rewarding hobby that allows you to create beautiful and functional pieces for your home. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, there are numerous projects that can enhance your living space. This guide focuses on easy wood projects that require minimal tools and materials, making them accessible for anyone looking to add a personal touch to their home decor. Before diving into projects, it's essential to understand the types of wood available. Common choices include pine, plywood, and cedar. Pine is lightweight and easy to work with, making it perfect for beginners. Plywood offers versatility, while cedar is naturally resistant to moisture and pests, ideal for outdoor projects. Knowing your materials will help you choose the right one for your specific project. One of the easiest projects to start with is a simple shelving unit. Shelves provide both storage and display space, making them functional and decorative. You can create a basic wall-mounted shelf using a single piece of wooden brackets. Customize the size to fit your needs. Paint or stain it to match your decor, and add decorative items to create a personalized display. Creating rustic picture frames is a delightful way to showcase your favorite memories. Using reclaimed wood, you can craft frames of various sizes. The process involves cutting the wood to size, sanding it down, and assembling the pieces. Add a coat of varnish or paint to enhance the natural beauty of the wood, and you'll have a unique way to display photographs. Wooden coasters are practical and can be made in just a few steps. Start with small, round, or square pieces of wood. Sand them smooth, and consider adding a design through painting or wood burning. These coasters not only protect surfaces, but also serve as decorative accents on your coffee table. Bring a touch of nature indoors with decorative plant stands. These can be made using simple wooden dowels and a circular piece of wood as the base. Finish the stand with a stain that complements your existing furniture. A plant stand elevates your greenery, adding height and interest to your decor. Storage boxes are essential for keeping your space organized while adding a decorative element. You can create simple wooden boxes with a lid, perfect for storing crafts, toys, or miscellaneous items. Personalize each box with paint, labels, or stencil designs to match your home style. Building a simple wooden bench can enhance your entryway or patio. Using just a few planks, you can create a sturdy bench that serves multiple purposes. Sand down the edges for safety and add cushions for comfort. This project not only provides seating, but also adds character to your home. Wood can be transformed into stunning wall art with minimal effort. Consider creating a wooden wall sculpture or a simple geometric pattern using cut pieces of wood. You can arrange these pieces in various configurations and paint them to add color to your walls, creating a unique focal point in any room. A functional key holder is a small but impactful project. Use a piece of wood as the base and attach hooks for keys. You can also add a small shelf for mail or a decorative element to enhance its appearance. This project not only keeps your keys organized, but also adds a personalized touch to your entryway. Making a cutting board is an excellent beginner project. Choose hardwood for durability and cut it to your desired size. Sand the surface smooth and finish it with a food-safe mineral oil. A handcrafted cutting board can serve as both a practical kitchen tool and a decorative serving piece. Create cozy ambience in your home with wooden candle holders. Start with small blocks of wood, drill holes for tea lights or taper candles, and customize their appearance with paint or stains. These holders can be arranged on tables or shelves, adding warmth and charm to any space. If you have children, consider making simple wooden toys. Blocks, puzzles, or pull-along toys can be crafted from scraps of wood. Sand them thoroughly to ensure safety and allow for creativity in design. These handmade toys are not only fun to make, but also provide a personal touch to playtime. For those with a green thumb, wooden garden planters are a perfect project. Construct simple rectangular boxes to hold flowers or herbs, and paint or stain them to match your outdoor decor. Not only do they add beauty to your garden, but they also allow you to grow plants in style. A pair of unique bookends can add flair to your bookshelf. Using wood scraps, create shapes that resonate with your interests, such as animals or geometric designs. Paint them in vibrant colors or leave them natural for a rustic look. These bookends will keep your books tidy while enhancing your decor. Crafting a wooden serving tray is both functional and stylish. Cut a rectangular piece of wood and add handles for easy carrying. Sand it down and finish it with food-safe oil. This tray can be used for serving drinks or as a decorative piece on your coffee table. Wooden signs are a fantastic way to personalize your space. Use a piece of wood as a canvas to paint or stencil a meaningful quote, your family name, or a welcoming message. These signs can be placed indoors or outdoors, adding character to any area. Before starting your woodworking journey, it's essential to gather the right tools. Basic tools include a saw, drill, sander, and measuring tape. For beginners, hand tools can suffice, while more experienced woodworkers may prefer power tools for efficiency. Familiarizing yourself with these tools will make your projects smoother and more enjoyable. Creating wooden shelves is one of the simplest projects to undertake. These shelves not only provide storage, but also serve as a platform for displaying decorative items. You can use wooden planks and brackets to mount them on walls, or create floating shelves for a modern look. Customize the finish to match your decor style. Wooden signs are a charming way to add character to your home. Using reclaimed wood, you can craft signs with inspirational quotes, family names, or directional arrows. Stenciling or hand-painting your designs allows for creativity, and these signs can be placed indoors or outdoors to enhance any space. Wooden trays can serve practical purposes or act as decorative accents. Create a simple tray by cutting a rectangular piece of wood and adding handles. You can personalize it with paint, stencils, or wood-burning techniques. Use it for serving drinks or as a catch-all for miscellaneous items. Crafting wooden candle holders is an easy way to create ambience in your home. Use wooden blocks or logs to shape holders for tea lights or pillar candles. Sand the edges for a smooth finish and consider adding decorative elements like paint or carvings to enhance their appearance.